You're too good for me. I'm not sure about anything, but I am sure you're a light at the end of this tunnel, dark and wet. But the quiet part, the loneliness and disappointment is tamed by your face. Cha-do-dee, cha-do-dee, cha-do-dee. I never knew a soul that embodied the light of a burning star so far. Now you're so